So this is the voice of Zion Hub Logistics, and in a very quick one, this is an item that was shipped 3 months ago, and when you said mini importation is not profitable, I was trying to show you this as a testimony of what I bought personally with this amount of 145. I bought this smallest washing machine from 𝐿1688, and the total cost is around 15,000 naira. So you can start a mini importation business with as low as possible. This is just my office here, and I just got them delivered I think last week now, so I later pick it up, and this was the simple process on how I was unboxing this item to check if this chair is in a good condition, and I've been able to unpack it, then arrange it myself. So this is the reason why you want to go to mini importation business for your household item, so you'll be able to buy them cheaply, and also you can also use them to make profits. Now, talking of this chair, I bought it, I think is around 10,000 naira also on Pindodo. So at least when I go for the market price of this thing, I've been able to see it in Nigerian prices for just 40,000, 50,000, because is a office chair that I want to be using in my office. So I've been able to unpack it, and you can see in this video clearly that is a new item that has just been shipped. So please don't panic if you have any obstacles when it comes to mini importation business. Please reach out, we can always assist you. Mini importation is very easy and lucrative business. All right, so this is the simple process that I've been able to use, and I've been helping people to buy their item, do procurement for them, and be of help as well. So we all know what is going on presently in the country, so you don't have any reason to panic when it comes to mini importation business. If your 1688 account is frozen, that's never the end. There is always a way out. Now you can see what this chair really look like after I've been able to arrange it, and you can see that it's good to go. You can do your research and make the research how much this chair is being sold in your country and give me the feedback. All right, so if you are still interested, if you are still having any issues, reach out to me. We can always talk business, and you can see how lovely this chair is, and you can rotate it to the right and to the left. All right, so thank you guys for watching this video. We will see in my next tutorial.